Welcome to my presentation of project number 3, the mail project. Let's start by sending a mail to someone. We logged in as cloudy@tonline.com and we compose a mail and send it to kinche@tonline.com. The email addresses are all fake email addresses. CS50 web programming is great. I really enjoy this course. Let's send this mail. We click on send and we see that this mail has been sent successfully to kinche@tonline.com. As you can see, this is in the outbox. Now we log out and we log in as kinche@tonline.com. Sorry about that. And here we see that this mail has landed in our inbox and it is marked as white while the other are all gray. And this is because this email is new, we haven't read it yet. So next is we want to be able to view the email. So we click on it and if we go back, it appears as gray because now it has been read by us. If we click on it, we get 2 buttons. Let's start by testing the archive button. So we can click on archive email. As you can see, there's only 4 emails now in the inbox, while this newly archived email is now in the archive mailbox. If we click on it again, we can now say unarchive email and we land back in our inbox, and here we can see that this mail has been put back into the inbox. Last but not least, the reply button. So if we click on reply, the sender has been converted into the recipient. There has been added an RE to the subject, and the original mail is still pasted into the body, while we can start typing underneath the dashes. Let's start by saying me too. And this email, as you can see, has been sent successfully back. Thank you again for this chapter. I really enjoyed this course. I learned a lot, and yeah, see you next time.